What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Today, we going out doing some deliveries. I'm going to be working these apps. We're going to see how much money I can make during a full shift. Let's get into it, because I already know it's going to be real. Let's go. First, we got to turn on these apps. But before we start, we got to change the tunes. We got to throw on the shades. Let's go. First order, Chick-fil-A. Normally I wouldn't take this order, but it's the first order of the day and I just want to get this day started. So let's go ahead to knock this one out. The next order is 8 for 3. This is a good order to take. Let's go knock this one out. Next one, we got us an Uber Eats. $14 4-mile job. Now that's the one that you should take. Let's go knock it out. I know some of y'all are gonna say something about the hot bag. If you're doing quick deliveries, forget the hot bag. If you're quick and efficient and you know what you're doing, forget the hot bag. Next up, we got a Chipotle, $7, 3.5 miles. Normally I wouldn't do this order, but I'm just trying to keep things going. So let's go knock this out. Next up, we got an 8 for 3. Let's go ahead. Been a long day. Starting to come to an end. Let's go ahead and continue to knock these out. Just went to go pick up an order. The line was long and they weren't ready. So that is an order that I'm going to drop. I know some of you DoorDash drivers that accept every order that don't know how to unassign. It's okay. You can unassign orders, especially if it's a long wait, because waiting, you don't make any money. You make money delivering, and that's what we do. We deliver. So that order is gonna get dropped. Now, back on the road, we got a $13 3-mile job. Let's go ahead and bang this out. Probably my last order for the day, but let's see how things turn out. Let's go. All right, guys, here's another tip. When you're waiting for orders, sitting around, haven't got anything in a while, move around. Sitting around waiting for these deliveries, for whatever reason, the algorithm only picks up when you're moving around. So I suggest for us drivers to move around. Maybe sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes at max, but do not sit around 30 minutes to an hour expecting to receive bigger orders. It's just not gonna happen. Like I said, it's something about the algorithm. You need to move around. You gotta drive around, keep things moving. Let's get back to it. All right, y'all, there you have it. Today was a long day. We did an 8-hour shift. Today I ended at 196. Not bad for an 8-hour shift. Not too crazy out here, not too busy, but it was just consistent. That's all I got for you guys today. Until next time, it is your boy AD. Peace out.